Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust key repeat options while using an external keyboard on iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So if you're using an external keyboard with your iPhone, for example, for writing, you can adjust the key repeat options. So open settings, then swipe down a little bit, go to accessibility, swipe down, tap on keyboards, and here you have this option. The second option is going to be the key repeat. So click on this one, and from the factory settings it is set to on. If you are going to disable it, even if you are going to hold, for example, E, it is going to be written, let's say in the Word application, only once. If you are going to set this on, you can set the key repeat interval and also the delay until repeat. And here you can set those options. So the delay until repeat means how much time needs to take after, if you're holding one letter, is going to be, just starting to write it all the time. So, E, the time that needs to be, you're pressing an E, the time that needs to be, needs to take, and after this time it is going to write E. I think you get it. So here you can set this time by 1/10 of 100 seconds. You can set it to half a second, or the time that is most telling for you. And also you have here the key repeat interval. So it means that it is going to be repeated every 1/10 of a second right now. And also you can set it that the letter that you are holding is going to be written 5 times in a second right now, because it's 2 of a 10, so 1 out of 5. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.